For my final project, I have done a seam carving project. Basically, the way it works is that it looks through the image and tries to find the lowest energy. In this case, it basically does edge detection, and when there's an edge, that is the highest energy. So to start, it goes across the top row and looks for the location with the least amount of energy, and then goes down to the next spot, which is very close to the original pixel, to find the next lowest point of energy, and keeps doing that until it carves a seam down the picture with the lowest amount of energy. It then marks those pixels to delete and shrinks the image. It does this for a user-defined amount of times, which basically allows them to say, I want 80% of the picture, I want the final width to be 80% of the original width, or the height to be 80% of the original height. Once it does the columns, it then goes through a second time and does the exact same type of thing with the rows, carving a seam all the way through. However, when we do this, depending on the energy map, we might hit a face, which could then scrunch them and place the mouth basically on top of the nose, which doesn't look that great. So to fix that, I have used a pre-trained data set to detect faces in the image, which gives me an XY coordinate and then a width and a height. So the XY, for example, for this face would be about right here. I then say anything between this point plus the width and the height, so down to here, create a box, and don't touch that area while we're carving the seam. So here is an example of the final one. Here's our energy map. Here is the original image. And for reference, we have an image that has been scaled using normal methods, which kind of squishes the face and body together. The seam carved image is over here. It didn't touch any of the face. However, because of the box, it does end up shifting other parts of the body around, which has not yet been addressed in the program, but that will be done in the future. So yeah, that's my project, seam carving. Thank you.